Hello everybody, just wanted to show you guys how we can take this wall-to-wall beige carpet and this wool rug to a very dark color. In this case we were able to take it to a black, as you can see. Now not every fiber can be taken to a very dark color like this, but so the best way to find out for sure is to test the fibers. So we were able to take it to a dark color, in this case black, and here I am showing you guys how the dyes are wash fast and color fast. I'm just rinsing them in cold water here and scrubbing slightly, and there's no color loss whatsoever. So I'm just shaking off the excess water here, and I'm about to wipe them off on a white terry cloth so you can see there's no color loss. So these are the DyeBold dyes. If you guys are interested, you can find more information at dyebold.com/dyes. And again, these are for nylon, wool, and silk.